Stand back, Jacob.
Oh my word.
It did what? Did it make your ears hurt? Guess what? Mummy didn't see any of that. So I was trying to film it.